Where did I put you guys? Oh, there you are. Oh, now you're tangled. Well, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. I'm gonna show you my little space I got here. I am currently, yeah, we listen and we don't judge. Just kidding. You can judge me. I'm currently finally putting together my new scrap space. And it's definitely a work in progress. So bear with me, but I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride. So let me give you a tiny little tour and kind of tell you what I've been up to. So this new scrap space is upstairs instead of in our basement because we decided the basement was kind of, I'm just gonna kind of pan around so you can see all my stuff I have to organize yet. Basement's turning into kind of a hangout space. This was our Lego room, aka our guest room. Child obsessed with Legos. Like, he was starting to outgrow the space. And we realized, like, my stuff probably could be better organized. And then kept easier in a smaller space because essentially I should be just using up my supplies, which right now clearly you can tell I'm on a spending freeze. And I promise I'm giving you just a quick overview. I will have, hopefully, and it'll be kind of slow going because life is still kind of hectic, but I will have videos kind of, we'll break it down and we'll go through areas, and you're going to come along with me and reorganize this and get it to functioning, and hopefully I'll get to create in the meantime, but it's gonna be fun. So stay tuned for more, and hopefully this will be an enjoyable time. In a minute I'll give you some more details. Well, again, it'll feel like less than a minute for you guys, but it's gonna be probably a few hours for me. I just cleared these off really quick. My husband is going to make me a shelf. So first things first, I need some more storage options to get stuff off the floor and a place for my albums, because turns out that bookcase is not deep enough. Obviously that one isn't. And so I originally thought all albums were gonna go on there, but it's not deep enough. They overhang by a few inches. Wasn't gonna work. So we bought a shelf, and we're gonna do a shelf wall to wall above there so that the whole thing is going to be a shelf. So we're going to put that up today. Hopefully I have 2 rods to hang up there, to hang stuff on up there. And then I have 2 basket shelves. They're going to go over here. So that's what we're going to do. And then hopefully I'll be back with you. And then I'm going to slowly start putting all my albums up. So first things first, try and get all the bulky things, find a place for them. And then we'll go through all the piddly stuff. I slowly started organizing. I basically, since this is my desk, I want this to be my nook of, this is where all embellishments and ink and stuff, so I can create backgrounds, add mixed media when I want to, and it's right at my fingertips. I can see it all. And then stamps, washi, label maker, hole punches if I need them. And then I'm going to do something more with that shelf. That's going to get organized better. But then the bulkier stuff, card supplies are down there. And that's all behind that. It's all like scrap paper, smaller paper. So small paper pads, card, 3x4 card, that kind of thing. So that's what we're doing today. And then as I go, I'll explain, like I said, more and more of what's happening. But first things first, we need to get the bigger, bulkier things up off the floor so then I can change out my rug, because I also have a new rug. Well, secondhand, but it's new to me. And I'm going to do a little bit more with this thing. I have this thing organized. I'll kind of tell you what's all in there too at some point. This is going to become the tool cart and all the mixed media. The plan is over there. I'll tell you the plan for this. Lots of plans, but that is what we're doing. So stay tuned. I'll probably cut it for a next video maybe, or maybe I'll show you at least when everything's up, and then I will organize in another video after everything's up. So hope you guys are staying cool. The summer is hot, and then I'll slowly tell you about why this is taking me so long and where I've been. So stay tuned, and some magic of YouTube's gonna happen now. Ta-da! Shelf. My husband's awesome. So we had to custom cut this shelf. We couldn't find one, and he put lots of supports in there. So hopefully it will hold. And then he put these up, and I started putting things in them. All my adhesives. So far, sequins are there. I don't know if that's where they're gonna live, but that's what we got going so far. So stay tuned. I'm gonna slowly get all the albums and get that looking pretty. So at least that's done. And then I'll keep you posted, and just subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you haven't already. And if you're excited, tell me some things that either you have in your craft room that you really, really love, how it's organized, or if you have some ideas. But right now we're just trying to get the bulky stuff, so the albums and the iris containers that have the pages that are done that are not in albums up off the floor, so that I have more room to spread out to organize the little things. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye.